Hello and welcome to this mini-series of writing the alphabet in 8 different ways for modern calligraphy. My name is Patrizia, I'm a stationery designer and calligrapher based in Switzerland. In this series I'm going to be showing you 8 different ways of writing the I with my oblique pen and my deep dark black ink. I filmed everything in real time so you can see exactly how long it takes me to write one letter. If you like my letters, you can grab my free tracing worksheet. The link is in the description below. I hope you enjoy and we write together. Thank you so much for watching. Which eye did you like best? Let me know. If you like my series, please stick around because there are more letters to come and write together. Bye!